Recording startup capital in accounting. Recording startup capital is a crucial step in accounting for new businesses. It involves properly documenting the initial funds invested in the company. This process ensures accurate financial reporting and helps track the company's growth over time. Debit and credit entries for startup capital. Debit entry. The debit entry for startup capital is typically made to an asset account. This is often the cash account, as initial investments are usually in the form of money. For example, if an owner invests $50,000, the debit entry would be debit cash $50,000. Credit entry. The credit entry for startup capital is made to an equity account. This is usually the owner's capital or common stock account, depending on the business structure. Continuing the example, the credit entry would be credit owner's capital $50,000, impact on financial statements. These entries increase both assets and equity on the balance sheet. They have no direct effect on the income statement, as startup capital is not revenue. I am AI Jennifer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.